Well, hello again. Back for another tutorial, I see. Don't worry, this isn't one of those tutorials, no 40-minute monologue about the metaphysical significance of concealment and cover. This is fast, dirty, and just coherent enough for you meat-paced brains to engage with. So, today we're going to talk about ambushes and how they might make the AI do them. So the first thing we're going to do is start with setting up our environment. We're going to place some hide terrain feature objects here so we can make it a little more visually pleasing. Now we're going to set up our ambushers. We're going to name the group. Oh, wait, this is not there. We're going to name it ambushGroup. ambushGroup. Yeah, that stuff doesn't matter. Then we're going to take the code, the initialization code for the group, and we're going to paste it in this group's initialization. So this will mean that every character who's tied to this group will have the same initialization code run. Now we're going to copy and paste some guys around here to set up our ambush. We want them to all lay down, so give me just a second while we set up the ambush. Okay, these guys go there. This guy in here. Oh wait, no, over here. This would be a good spot for him. All right. So now we need to group everybody to the group lead. So we're going to group lead, sync to group lead. Then we're going to put our player character. We're going to set his captive to true so they don't shoot me. Then we're going to set the trigger up. We're going to make the trigger a little smaller. So once the people who are getting ambushed walk into the trigger, it'll trigger the ambushers to stand up and open fire on them. So now we're going to take the ambush code, we're going to copy it, and paste it in the on activation. Yep. Alrighty, and now we gotta make our group to get ambushed. We're gonna do op4, some riflemen. We're gonna place them, and group these two guys together, and then we're just gonna name these guys group 1. And then, yep, group 1. Yep, group 1. Okay. So let's just read through the code real quick. All right. And I think, yep. And then we got to set a move waypoint. We're going to have them move. We're going to set their status to safe, and we want them to run. And then we're going to put our player character over here. And now we watch. And you see they're moving in towards the ambush zone. And why are you acting like you see people already? Bruh. Ah, shit. He saw one of the guys. So, it's important that when you're placing the guys conducting the ambush that you put them hidden. Obviously, he was not hidden well enough, so they saw him. But anyways, leave me a like, or subscribe, or a comment telling me what kind of other stuff you want to see. Because I'm just here doing videos.